channel. Welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. For those of you who don't know, my name is Adalise, and today I'm coming. Matter of fact, let me just tell you guys ahead of time that this video was a total fail. Can y'all please be quiet? I'm trying to make an intro right now. Another thing, it was a total fail because my niece was in the background just chit-chatting. Also, my hair for one. Two, this eye right here just started tearing. I had got eyeshadow in it and it looks, I don't want to say I got a pink eye, but it just messed up this whole eye. Anyways, yeah, so I'm coming to you guys with this look once again. And it's nothing serious. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet. But you know, if you want to look like a baddie one time, like, come on, just continue watching, alright? Okay, so my eyebrows is done, eyelid is all primed and concealed, and my face is already moisturized. So we're just going to get straight into this video. Use the Modern Vanilla, you know, I can't even pronounce it. And I'm going to use Burnt Orange, which is this orange looking color. And I'm going to apply that onto my crease. So I'm basically doing like an opposite C. So after we done that, I'm gonna go and take the Too Faced Peach palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and use it's called Summer Yum, which is this one right here. A pointer brush, and I'm going to apply that onto my crease again, but I'm just gonna blend it on my crease. So now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm going to use the color Saturn, which is this peachy, dark peachy color, and I'm going to also apply that onto my crease with the same brush I use. Be quiet or get out my room. So that Saturn color from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, that's what I meant to say, didn't really make no difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and into the Jaclyn Hill palette. Can you please, baby girl, drink some water? And I'm gonna use this burgundy color. What am I doing? This one, and also apply that to my crease. Hopefully it come out better. So now it just really looks like I got a black eye, but listen, we just gonna work with it, alright? I'm gonna use the Sharp Tape shape. Alright, so now I'm gonna use the Sharp. Damn, I can never get it. Okay, so now I'm going to use the So now I'm going to use a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going to use a flat brush. So I can't find my other favorite brush that actually gets into the corners. You know, make them perfect. You know, define it. Yeah, I had to change that to another brush because that was too big. Okay, so now that I did my cut crease, I'm gonna go and use the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna be using the darkest purple, which is this one. And I'm going to apply that onto my outer crease. So I'm going to go back into my AdalizMelo palette, and I'm going to be using this shimmery dark purple, and I'm going to apply it right on top of the purple I already applied onto my outer corner. And I want to just add a little shimmer onto this purple. So now I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetic Club Tropicana palette, and I'm going to take this light purple color, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lids. So I just really just had to wipe that out because I looked crazy. So I'm going to go back into the AdalizMelo palette and use that same purple and blend that upwards. So I'm going to go back into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm going to use this color, which is called Dimension, and it's like a lavender shimmery color. And I'm going to apply that into my inner corner. Matter of fact, I changed it. I'm going to use this color. It's called Lucid. Okay, so that's basically it. I'm going to go and use the NYX eyeliner, and I'm going to do a wing. I'm gonna go and use the CoverGirl, what is it called? Full Lash Glue, and I'm only going to use a little bit because I am applying falsies. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes, and I'm gonna be using Lily Lashes, and this is Mykonos. Listen, don't judge me. Okay, so y'all already know I finished my eyes, which is under my eyes, after I do my whole face. So now I'm just going to start with my face, and I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetic The Professional Primer. Now I'm going to go in and use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the Dewy Smooth, and I am in the color 230 Natural Buff. I like to blend it in with my brush first because it wouldn't be like all caked up, and then I also blend it in after with the Real Technique sponge. So now I'm going to take my damp Real Technique sponge and blend my foundation in. So now I'm going to use the LA Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Creamy Beige. And I just like to let the concealer sit for like 30 seconds before I even start blending. So go on to bed. You know what? I just want to apologize. I know you guys hear my nieces in the background. It's just ridiculous. Like, they don't listen. They want to be in the room when I'm recording. And I'm just getting upset, but I'm just going to hold it. Let's get to blending because I can't. I forgot to spray. Spray that. I think I got some eyeshadow on this eye. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use a Tarte Shake Tape Concealer. This is in the color Rich. And I only use a little bit because when I do blend it out, it's like it's too dark. So blend that one time with the Real Techniques. Before I start to highlight, I'm gonna go and finish my eyes, and I'm gonna go back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern palette, and I'm going to finish under my eyes. I'm gonna go back into the Anastasia Prism palette, and I'm gonna use Lucid again into my inner corner. My eye won't stop tearing. My eye is literally tearing right now, and I don't know what to do at this point. Okay, so now we're gonna get into highlighting, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome. But first, I'm gonna spray my face, set my face with the Hangover Too Faced primer. Okay, so instead of the Maybelline Master Chrome, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Holographic. I'm so mad right now. I just realized my camera was not recording when I was showing you guys how to do my highlight. So basically what I used was the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1, and I used to highlight the Master Holographic, and I already highlighted. Looking like a baddie one time. Hold on. Shining, shining. Apply that onto my brow bone. I forgot to pucker up my lips with the Too Faced lip injection. That's already too late. So for lips, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Also, like, I be wanting to do videos weekly, not only makeup tutorials, but I want to do different things in my channel, like, you know. Yeah, follow me and add me my social medias down. What am I saying? Add my social medias down in the description box below. And thanks for watching. Bye.